Good afternoon, teacher. I am Damiris Cabrera González. I live in San Marcos. En este día voy a hablar de un tema muy importante, English language, aprendiendo del inglés. Etymology. Why does the English language come from? The English was derived from the English in the Old French, the English language. Is a Western Germanic language that remained in the Anglo-Saxon kingdom of English. It is tended off into what widely became the sounds of Scotland under the influence of the kingdom of Cumbria. Why is English important? English is the most widespread native language in the world, after Mandarin niche in Spanish. It is in the second smallest language. It is in the Fijian language of one of the eight northern language in planted international language from the F-span written interlanguage. While she knows you take the from language, doubt why further remember the language in the main language. Muchas gracias. Thank you. In the sprung.